Alright, there it is. That's going to be the new floor. We picked up 6 sheets of OSB subfloor, tongue and groove. Now, it doesn't really matter, but we chose OSB because it lays flat, doesn't have voids in it, and it's really good quality. The new OSB that they're making today is amazing, and the plywood subfloor at the store looked like garbage. The tongues and grooves were all mismachined, so they were literally unusable. They were all uneven. It would have made humps all over the floor wherever they joined, and they were full of voids and they were just nasty. So OSB it is. I'm going to carry it into the room, get a few sheets in place, see how it looks, and hopefully we get this floor sealed up today. Alright, we got our first 3 sheets laid down and they're secured with just a couple of screws. Everything is looking nice and straight and good. So I'm going to go ahead and get these fastened down. We'll get the last sheets in. Everything is going well. Works actually. Now that I'm looking at it. So we have all the OSB secured in this first row. It's looking really good. We're almost ready to do this row, but what are you doing?
We're going to try metal detecting down here before we get all this sealed over.
Because this area, you guys know if you've been watching, used to be a porch. This was the front of the house. Might as well check it out and see if anything was lost around the porch. Don't bang your head.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Door thing.
So that was the corner post for the porch.
Where?
Is that blocked in front of you?
Yeah. So it could be, stuff could be anywhere, really.
Yeah.
Ooh, that sounds like a good one.
How far down was it?
It said 2 inches. Look it.
Did you find something?
Yeah. It's just a quarter.
Just a quarter?
I mean, it's not an old one. It's one of the newer styles. Let's see what state. New York. 2001. Well, it's neat.
Yeah, look at it. That's pretty neat. We should get the pin.
Oh, look at.
Another one?
Yep. Another newer style quarter. This one is North Carolina. 2001. Okay. Nothing left there. So 2 quarters, Bill.
2 quarters, that's not bad.
Wow. I don't even know what to do with that. Let's
Wow.
see what's in here.
Wow, sounds like a lot right at the surface too. You're bound to find something.
Something weird though.
We do have the pinpointer, if it helps, but...
I mean, there's like nothing here.
Wait, look it! There's pennies here, coming out of the ground.
Wow.
Here's another one.
Look at another coin. Another newer style quarter. Okay, this quarter is...
Oh wait, here's another one. Another
wow.
quarter.
Coin spill. This one's Vermont.
Let me get over here.
So, newer style.
Yeah.
This one's an older style quarter. This dirt doesn't wipe off very well. 1980 on that one. I don't know. Is that a penny? I can't tell. 1974 on that penny.
Let me take these up top.
Can you believe it actually was a coin spill?
Yeah. They were coming out right in here. But you had signals over here too, so...
Yeah, they could be everywhere.
Somebody was rolling around down here.
Yeah. Here's a dime. Oh, here's another one.
This might not detect it very good. Probably needs a new battery.
1970. Wait, look at... this dirt just broke apart.
And there's coins in it.
Yeah, look at...
Wow. I hope we can capture this okay. It's dark under here.
I know. So a quarter and a dime. I can't believe we discovered a coin spill under here.
Yeah.
It's an older style quarter. 1995. Let's see if there's anything else in this chunk.
Just junk.
It's like you know, toenail tool or something.
Found a dime?
Yep.
Well, this renovation is paying for itself.
Actually, it's right where I put my finger.
Are you serious?
Yeah. It was like right there on the surface.
So they're in there. We just need a...
Wow, there's coins literally just everywhere down here. Doug.
Yeah. Boy, we'd be finding these fast if this was working good.
Yeah.
I
I
don't-
wish we knew where the orange one was.
Yeah. I don't even think we have any 9-volt batteries either.
Wow, why would somebody dump so many coins here?
Right there. Boy, they blend in. You can't even see them.
Penny.
We're finding epic treasure under the house, like a lot of coins. Mm-hmm. And we just began, but it's going really slow because our pinpointer is dying. Obviously, I said it like 20 times. We need a new battery. So we're going to take a break from metal detecting and just go to the store, pick up a new battery, and then we'll pick up.
Yeah.
It'll just make a lot more sense because it's really hard digging through this wet clay soil. It's like clay and I don't know what it is, but it's sticky. I'm just looking forward to seeing what we can find down here. So if we get a new battery, we'll keep looking.
But this is what we found so far. There's a pile here.
Yeah, we'll get that all laid out in a little bit, but wow. So in the meantime, I think I'm going to carry in the last 3 sheets, at least get them in the room off the trailer. That'll be good. And maybe start laying them in place. I don't think it'll hurt to cover up. It'll be less light for us to look, but I kind of want to get the work done.
Well, we could put the light down there somehow.
Or bring the flashlight with us or something.
Oh, yeah.
We'll see. We'll make do. So I'll carry those sheets in and I'll come back when I'm done.
You'll have to get the tall ones.
The bad news is we went to the store and forgot to pick up batteries. The good
As
news,
usual.
yeah. The good news is I was looking through my stuff and we found our second pinpointer, and this one works pretty good. The battery's okay.
Yeah.
So
we'll see how far we can get with this one.
right
There's
there.
one.
Oh, a quarter.
Yep.
Oh, there's something else in here. Right there.
Tiny, most likely.
Is that what this is too?
It's like foil flashing or
Oh,
something.
just foil tape. Okay. So we'll keep looking with the new pinpointer, and we'll come back in a little bit if we find anything really cool. Alright, so we've been finding a pretty good coin treasure, and there's something over here. Ashley got a good signal, and while we were looking around, she found this, which I could be totally wrong, but this looks like a Muscle Man figure. I don't know, it could just be something random, but I'll have to see. I don't remember them coming in this color green, but could just be a cheap toy, but
We'll clean them off and look at them later.
yeah. Anyway, we got a little green guy, little monster down here. That's kind of a fun find. This sometimes is more fun than finding the coins.
And he was right on the surface when I was going like this.
Oh, right there, the coin. I see it. Wow, we're finding a lot of coins under here.
Yeah.
We got them stashed over on that board. We'll show you guys soon. Ooh. There's a bee here, a wasp, I should say. Can you stand still for the camera? And he's kind of bothered because he's trying to do this. Oh, if you guys can see it. He's trying to build these mud tubes, and I am right in the way.
Wow. What is this?
What is that?
Oh.
Ooh, what is it?
Wow.
Pull tab. Modern one, at least.
Yeah.
Well, guys, this is really neat. Look at this. Says 1980. 1986.
This is like a shifting thing, like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah.
Wow. That's what that round thing was.
Well, that's kind of cool though.
That's random. Oh, grab me another one of those metal bowls over there behind me. You can tell the old ones from the newer ones. Newer pennies?
The new ones corrode.
Yeah, the
old
ones
ones.
from like the 70s and 80s, and then these are the newer ones that they don't make out of good material anymore.
Wow. Maverick, look what I found.
Where did he go?
He was under our house.
It's some kind of creature or some kind of guy. What do you think?
We better wash him up. Yeah.
Where did you find that little spoon?
I don't know. Yeah, here.
No, where did we find it? We found it under the house, right?
Was that under the house? I thought it was in front.
It was like sort of under the house a little bit.
Wow.
I
And that was
think.
just by chance, just seeing it, right?
Yeah, just laying there.
That's a pretty impressive haul for just going under the porch.
That was a pretty big coin spill. Quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies. 1, 2, 60, 61, 62. 362.
Wow. Plus a shift lever
Thing.
faceplate. So it'd be like this. You can see the second, fourth, and reverse right there. So that was actually a pretty impressive little coin spill detecting.
I wasn't expecting like a massive coin spill.
No. And we might do some more metal detecting around the property, and if we do, we'll try to sprinkle it in as we do it. Usually though, if we don't find anything good, we don't bother showing it because that's not that fun. But we'll see. If we find anything cool, we'll let you guys know. And now we just got to get back to work on the house, getting all that done. So I think we're wrapping up this stage of the job. We sistered up most of the joists, all of the joists, and put a new floor on. So the subfloor, everything's looking good. It's solid. It needs to be leveled at this point, which means going back to foundation work. There's no point in trying to frame walls or do anything else inside the room until the foundation is stable. So like I said previously in another video, we've been kind of just working around the weather. It was raining a lot, so we couldn't work on the foundation, so we said let's gut. Gutting is something that you can do. It's not going to hurt anything. In fact, it's just going to make it easier to level. So I guess I got to start digging, leveling, and setting some new piers under the house and getting that all secure and strong under there. So basically what I'm saying is that we have a lot of work to do, and the structure is going to keep getting better. It doesn't stop here. We just have to kind of jump around. Like I said, once we get underneath supported properly, then we can work on the inside and get even more structure and more strength happening, and it's going to be good. So stay tuned for all that. We appreciate you guys being here. And until next time, take care.
Bye.